This is Dr. Amie Harwick, licensed marriage and family therapist, and today we're going to talk about pain shopping. Now, pain shopping may sound like some type of kinky BDSM game or activity, but that's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about is when we engage in some type of behavior or activity that we know is going to hurt us, we know it's going to cause us pain, but we keep searching for it until we feel bad, and then we wonder why we felt bad. Pain shopping. Pain shopping. We all do it to some extent. We're all guilty, but why are we such masochists? We are looking for something. What are we looking for? We are engaging in a behavior that doesn't work for us, but there's a reason for it. Maybe you've had something happen before. Maybe you've been cheated on. Maybe somebody's hurt you. Maybe you've had evidence that you're not good enough. So we look for evidence to counteract that, but what we're doing is actually just looking for evidence to support our negative feelings about ourselves, our relationships, and our lives. It's not healthy. So we need to pay attention when we do it. There's a certain amount of this that could be okay. Maybe having a conversation with your partner about something that you're suspecting is happening or something that makes you uncomfortable. You have the right to communicate your feelings and communicate thoughts. But there's a line where that goes from healthy communication and boundary setting to reiterating a problem that's already been solved or already been worked through. Let's say your partner had an affair. You talk it through. You go to therapy. You choose to stay in the relationship. But if you're constantly asking that partner about the affair again, you're only going to end up with negative hurt feelings. If you communicate something, set boundaries, and your partner or the situation keeps happening, you leave the situation, or you make changes with yourself, your perceptions. Continuing to go over something over and over again, even if it's looking at social media, a conversation that doesn't work, is just going to hurt you. So one of the most common ways that I hear of people pain shopping now is looking at social media, looking at Instagram of your partner, of their exes, of other people you're comparing yourself to. This may not even be in the context of a relationship. If you're single or even not in the context of a relationship, this could be in relation to the way other people look. You know, on Instagram, there's so many beautiful people, Photoshop, putting themselves out there, and it's easy to compare. You got to stop doing that because that's not even reality. You also might compare yourself with wealth. People posting pictures of jets or money or big houses, fancy cars. It's just something that you're comparing yourself to. So when you find yourself doing this, whether it be in a relationship or not, here are some things that you can do. So when you're comparing yourself and you're finding yourself pain shopping or comparing yourself to other people, looking for evidence about a relationship, imagine a stop sign. Imagine the stop sign coming right in front of you. Stop. Just stop what you're doing right now. Take a few deep breaths, take a step away from what you're doing, and find a replacement behavior. This could be a replacement behavior on social media. So sometimes I find it helpful to look at funny videos, memes, pictures of cats, whatever makes you happy. But find a replacement for the things that are negative and replace them with something positive or something that makes you happy. I, again, highly recommend looking at cats. That's always a win. You could also find other replacement behaviors that are not related to your phone or social media. Go for a walk. It sounds so simple, but it really makes a difference. Maybe go get a drink of water, call a friend, text a friend. These are really helpful things. Another thing you can do is self-affirmations. If you're finding yourself comparing or looking at things that you know are going to make you feel bad, put the phone down, take a deep breath, and tell yourself something positive about yourself. Maybe it's in a relationship. Maybe you're looking at your current partner's ex or your ex's new partner. Put the phone down and remind yourself what's good about you, why that person's not in your life anymore, or why that person isn't with your partner. Give yourself those positive affirmations that are based in reality, because what you're doing is comparing yourself to something that's not really going on or something that's out of your control. Remind yourself what you have control over and what's actually positive about yourself. And lastly, try to think about what you're doing and why you're doing it. What's the purpose for you? What's going on? Maybe there's another type of motivation. Maybe there's another feeling driving it. Just take a moment, sit, and look into yourself about why you're actually doing this. So if you keep pain shopping, yeah, bad things are going to happen. You're going to feel more anxious. You're going to start enabling yourself to be more sneaky, not communicate. You're going to get into bad habits. The goal here is to get into good habits. Communicate more often. Know where your boundaries are. Reduce anxiety. When you find yourself pain shopping, when you find yourself engaging in behaviors that you know are going to hurt you, stop. Take a deep breath. Think about it. Do something different. Thanks for watching my video on pain shopping, and hopefully you're going to slow down or stop doing it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment on this video. You can check me out on social media, Dr. Amie Harwick on Instagram, Facebook. You can also check out my website at dramieharwick.com. And until next time, thanks for watching.